Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to continue the split table across multiple pages in Microsoft Word. So let us get in. What you can see over here is, first of all, subscribe to How to Harbor. So we've got a table over here, and if you want to continue this table, what's going to happen is it's going to jump and make the whole table fit on this new page. So what we want is we want to go and select the entire table, and we're going to go up to this paragraph area over here. Now make sure you are on the home tab, and over here in the paragraph subsection there is a little arrow on the bottom right hand side over there. Once you click it, you get indents and spacing and line and page breaks. Now here you want to make sure that this keep with next is off. Okay, so it'll currently be unticked. That's what you want. And then what you want to do is we want to tap on OK. And what you're going to do, let's say we want to now create a new line in our table, that will continue over onto the next page. Now the whole table will not jump over onto your next page. You'll only just have whatever space you are busy with jump over to the next page. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later. Cheers.